Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you repost someone else's story on your Instagram account. So without further ado, let's jump right into our Instagram. Now I have this account opened. This is a very good creator, very funny guys. So on the top right, top left, you see this profile icon, and that is how you view someone's story. So in this case we are seeing a video, but in case this was a picture, you can generally just take a screenshot of it and just crop it in the best way possible so that it looks like it was from your side. So you see, that is one obvious way that everyone possibly knows, but if you did not know that, you're welcome. But what we really want is that we want a better way to use that story. Like for example, it must seem like you were part of that. So usually for that, the other person must have tagged you in their story. For example, if they put a tag on it, then you most probably will get a notification that you can add this to your story, and then you can go to your inbox and you can always repost it. But sometimes that is not the case. Like for example, if you go out with your friends and they just don't tag you in a story that you were actually a part of, what you can do is you can just ask them to tag you. So for example, in my case, if I go to my story, on the bottom right, you see this option that says add mentions, right? You can press add mentions and you can tag whoever you want, and they will be getting that same notification that you can repost this. So in your case, you're going to be sending the message to your friend that, hey, I was wondering if you could tag me so I could repost this to my story as well. So that is how they are going to do it. They're just going to press anyone and they're going to press add. So that is pretty much all that you need to know about how you can repost someone else's story on your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.